How you guys doing? Okay, today I'm going to be talking about world peace and my feelings on the topic. I feel that that is what we are here for. I feel that we are here for world peace, if not anything else. You know what I'm saying? And I don't feel like we could ever reach true world peace without each other knowing what the next person is saying. If this person is German, this person is Russian, if this person is even Jamaican, because they have a language of their self, like it's like a broken English or something, and a lot, even the Chinese, like if everybody as a single as a single being of being a human being knew what everybody else was saying in the world. I don't care if you turn it on Telemundo. I don't care if you watching an African movie. I don't care if you watching a French movie. I don't care if you watch doing anything. If it has another person in it and they're talking, if everybody understood everything, that would that's what I feel would equal world peace. You know what I'm saying? I feel that the schools, school is good. I miss college. You know what I'm saying? School is good. I'm not gonna say school ain't good because it teaches you how to learn things. School definitely teaches you how to learn. If you don't have school, I'm not saying you won't be able to learn, but it's like school really teaches you how to learn. And if you have that drive to go out and find something that you really love and that you want to learn, then school has taught you how to learn, if not just memorize things. You know what I'm saying? Which is a good thing. But I feel that school should be strictly learning languages. Because if you learn the language of everybody else, of everybody in this world, I feel that would bring world peace, and I feel that would eliminate the it would it would definitely eliminate the purpose of of half the other things like math. I mean, science is good and math is good because math, money. I feel like world peace would, if we all had world peace, not everybody would what's the word, have a common, nah, that ain't the word, not everybody would want that. Not everybody would want to not have money. But I'm telling you, if we had world peace, there will be no need for money because we could all put our collective energy into trading things and trading. I mean, because that's basically what money is trading. You're trading your time to get money, and you're trading your money to get things. So if we um if we found world peace, it would be no need for money. And I'm not saying there wouldn't be a need for science because there's a lot of things that science does that I don't understand, and I that's not my lane. I'm not really scientific. I'm more artistic than I am scientific, but um it would be no need for a lot of things. You know what I'm saying? But that's just my take on it. I feel like world peace, the root of world peace for this world that we live in, is to learn other people's languages. And that will spark everything else that comes after it. I don't know what will come after it, but that's just what I see, and that's what I feel, that the root of world peace would come from learning other people's languages. Cuz then you know what they're saying, then you can relate to them. If I could go anywhere in the world, if I could snap my fingers and go anywhere in the world and I would know exactly what they're saying and I could speak that language back to them, that's special right there. I mean, it's like they say, it's not what you know, it's who you know. And if you know, if you can learn to know other people, not just people that speak your languages, you know what I'm saying? You can learn to know. It's just a lot, but that's how I feel. And I'm gonna end this short because I can make it way longer. But yeah, I enjoyed that. Hey, y'all have a peaceful day. Peaceful day.